Yeah, go with Connor.
Gracias. it'll be on video, it's alright.
I would laugh so hard if we fell.
Yeah, that's okay.
And then a gator just swims up.
What?
Takes the foot.
That's a nice dodge. I like this.
You're welcome. What, do you not like alligators? Alligators are awesome. I don't know how I can be afraid of spiders, but not alligators.
Because you're a bitch. There's monkeys. And raccoons.
Sign.
So do you hear what I said? No. Said this looks like about what your mom has in her closet.
Wait, wait.
Paddle.
Paddle.
Oh.
Good God, dude. Maria, do you want to be gone? Your mom gets hit in the ass on a daily basis.
Can you spell that for me? How do you spell that?
I'm so glad I got Ian. That I'm not with Michael.
I can't like move my arms down.
Ready?
Oh, there we go.
She likes him in the back.
Demon.
I'm just too sly.
Everybody has a bottle.
Everyone needs a paddle. Those of us that are paddlers, come get them.
At least take off your socks.
Oh, here he is. I guess that is kind What do you think?
You guys, the
What's
bucket's
up?
sitting here in case you want to get rid of your shoes.
You know that's running, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I put my camera back.
Alright.
I tried to use the rain cover, but the sun reflected off of it.
Alright.
So you're okay using it?
Yeah. If you want it, you can take it.
Why do you have it on now?
Because I thought we were just about to get it.
Oh.
It's only been on for like 3 minutes or something.
3 minutes and 16 seconds.
Deb. It's not on anymore, Maria. Just turn it off. Silly goose.
I wasn't paying attention. I heard you say, is that running? And I didn't hear anything.
Turn towards Maria. See this number running? Yeah. It's running. So it's playing video.
It's not taking. No, it's not running. It's not on.
It is.
Well, it's not. You turned it off.
No, I
oh, nope, it's still running.
Who's the silly goose now?
I thought I saw you. You know what, Maria? We're gonna fight tonight.
Okay.
We're throwing down.
You can be round two, because CT and I are going to fight, and we're selling tickets.
All right, we'll be the pre-fight. You'll be the fight of the night, and then
Yeah.
CT.
be the
We
warm-up.
have a pre-fight for our match.
Yeah, it's me and Josh.
Josh and I.
Oh, wow. Okay, this is camera. Josh and me.
All right, we'll go 2v1 then. Let's go. You and Maria versus me.
All right, Kim, I guess we are ready. So please, we need to be sure everyone's listening to the safety speech, what to do or not what to do. See, trying to get closer because quite a big group. I'm Victor. I will be one of the guys today. We have Carlos. Hola, buenos días. Hola. Roy. Hola, Roy. Hola. Kayaking. Hola. Kayaking, he followed the group. So with the little boat over there. So just in case.
Yes.
Just in case. you feel quite tired or something happened. This is like the rescue boat for us. I don't really sure if you ever done it, canoe or kayaking before. Anybody?
How many of us have kayaked or canoed or canoed?
Oh,
Okay,
almost.
better yet, how many people have not? One.
Only one.
One.
Okay. Do you have your partner already?
I am.
Are we
Okay.
partnered? There's a group, we're
What's up?
total 36 because...
Everyone has a partner for sure. We don't have try number
wait,
today.
what's his name?
¿Usted viene, vamos sencillo o vamos doble?
Single.
All right. Anyway, can we fix it? That very soon. Anyway, you are 36, so always you have a partner. Even if it's not your best friend, you need to go with that first. So,
Very nice.
see, easy. So that would be a good compliment. This is an open water. So remember, it's man-made lake. So that's why. So the dam in that corner is flat. We don't have any obstacle. The winds blow direct to us. So that's why always on the way back to here, it's a little bit more complicated. So that's why you need to learn how you paddle. So this is very much the right way to grab the paddle. Not too far, but not too close. It's about, I would say, like a 2 or 3 foot distance. See? That's very much. And then, so we have 2 person each kayak. We call it double kayaks. So those kayaks, no pumper kayaks, because are fiberglass.
Did you hear that? No bumper kayaks, get it?
Any
No, you cannot bump into each other because they're fiberglass, Jack.
any damage do, you have to pay. See? If you not pay, I'm going back quick to the bus and I steal your passport.
Excellent.
See? You got it?
Yeah.
Please, no pumper kayaks. See? You no comprende
You
Spanglish?
just said I don't speak English.
We're gonna sacrifice him very soon. So, amigos, and also no splash to nobody. So sometimes you use the paddle to splash the person and you're not really expert. So the kayak they can lose your balance and then you flip over. Or you just got air and you can hurt somebody in the face. So remember, you're going to Monteverde after this. It's better go there and not going to the clinic.
Yeah.
You comprende? You understand that?
Sí.
Muy bien, excellent. So one person in the back, another going in the front. So you need to synchronize the paddle command. You need to have a good rhythm. See? A good rhythm.
Being an idiot on
Good
camera.
rhythm.
See? 1, 2, always deep and forward. 1, 2, 1, 2. See? And then, just in case, only just in case, the kayak turn all the way to the right or all the way to the left. Remember, your face point the right direction where you need to go. You have to follow all the time Carlos. If your kayak pointing that way and Carlos go this way, that's very much the wrong way. So you need to turn the kayak to the left side where Carlos' direction is. How we do that? Simple. Don't try to paddling only one side. The best way to do is, remember, right, left. You got it? Muy bien. If we need to turn the kayak to the left side, will be like this. One person, mostly person in the back, go left side back, see, and automatically the person in the front go forward. Left back, right side forward, and the kayak turn beautiful, believe me, to the left. See? Or right back, left go forward. Understand that? Muy bien.
I'll sit in the back.
Just in case only just in case you flip over, don't worry about it.
gonna
That's why
film me.
you have
It's on my
life
chest.
jackets. Very
You
soon,
get to see where you're going.
less than 5 minutes,
I don't care.
we rescue you.
What if we
Don't
fall
worry
over?
about it. When we get where we're going, so we stop there like 20 minutes, more or less. You can enjoy refreshing, jumping to the water, so swimming a little bit. After 10 minutes, we let you know when we're leaving. We back to the kayaks and we're paddling just over here. See? So when we arrive to this side again, please, no stand in the kayaks to go out. It's 2 legs or 1 leg out first, and then the next one, and then you go up your butt to go out. See? But don't try to stand in your kayak because remember, you can make any damage to the kayak. See? Comprende? Muy bien. So, Carlos, he is already waiting for you. Please, see on the time.
Any sneakers that you don't mind getting wet need to go. Never mind. He's already.
The shoes, recommendation you might left it on the bus. Well, otherwise will be wet, so it's up to you, guys.
I don't really care. These are dry fast. Alright.
You recommend no shoes?
Oh, okay.
Do we have to or can I keep mine?
Yeah. She said we can put them on that platform. You can keep them on.
Be ready. Be ready. Go 2 at a time.
Alright, Ian, go grab a kayak.
2 at a time. 2 at a time.
What's up? Alright. Gracias.
Yeah, but that's a...
I tried telling Ian that I was going to sit in the back, so if we tip over, I get him falling in, but he wants me to sit in the front, so it's not like I'm videotaping him the whole time.
Oh, that's true. You get
Excuse me. Yeah. That's alright. No splashing. Come on.
Expert.
Where is Ian? Where did Ian go? Oh, he's just now coming. It's just rude. I'm going over here so I don't get splashed. This is the front. This is the front. Oh. These are a lot more sensitive. Holy crap. Just scoot on forward. Alright, Ian, yeah, push off, buddy. Gracias. We're gonna not play bumper cars. Oh, these are pretty stable. Holy crap. Wow. These are not fiberglass. These are plastic as balls.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Thanks.
Bernie, are there fish in here?
Oh shoot, we cruising.
Are there fish in here?
Moving.
What kind? No idea? What are you doing? Oh, people actually fucking move, that'd be great.
I've never been in a
Alright, objective is to not let Bernie near us so he doesn't splash us. Really? Ah. Solid. Solid.
I'm getting into this.
I don't have a bra, so I have to keep this top on. I'm trying not to get wet.
Yeah, it's for short people. You whore. I wish I brought shades. I couldn't find my shades. I'm getting away from the boat.
Stop hitting us!
What are you doing, Ian? No, away from the boat, buddy.
I got soaking wet too. I'm sitting in a puddle of water. Me too. I feel really bad. We're all gonna hit each other in about 5 seconds. Oh, I thought you said like
Alright, Ian, we're moving forward a little.
we start going around them. But you can't just sit there and you can't be wet. I need a glass.
I feel like I am
You're such a bitch, dude. Shut up. So? I hope we see a gator.
Pretty out.
Yeah, yeah,
Wait, is it really?
yeah. Yeah, because that's the island.
I'm jumping in.
Nah, because they're retarded. They'll probably go in the water.